Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Hope this video helps some people in the future. And I also plan on making some more content for you guys very soon, so stay tuned.
Today we are going to be performing an oil change on an Audi A4 B8. Start off by getting your car up on ramps or jack stands, whatever you have available. I highly recommend a creeper seat as you will be under the vehicle. Remove the engine splash guard located at the bottom of the engine bay. Make sure to keep track of these half-turn screws. Locate the oil pan drain plug. Grab a few extra shop towels in case of spillage. This 5-quart jug was left over from my last oil change. Please note the drip tray that I'm setting under the jug. Now you'll be able to move forward with removing the oil pan drain bolt. Do not forget that this oil will be quite hot. Use caution. It took about a half hour for the oil pan to completely drain out. Of course, you will need to periodically check in on the oil collection jug to make sure that the oil is going straight into it. I ended up having to adjust it around 4 to 5 times. Next, you will be removing the engine cover. Use a wrench to loosen the oil filter. In my case, there was still a small amount of oil in the oil filter, so have a rag ready. I will label the oil filter part in the description. I ended up going with SDP as it was on sale. Lubricate the black O-ring in the oil filter with a small dab of 5W40. Install the new oil filter. Make sure that this is hand tight but not overly torqued. Get back under your vehicle and wipe up the oil pan. Reinstall the oil pan drain bolt. Do not forget to replace the oil pan drain bolt crush washer. As you can see, the old washer was completely warped and flattened. Take out the new jug of oil. Using 2 funnels stacked seemed to be the most effective way to fill up the engine oil. This took about 5 minutes of pouring. Reinstall the engine oil cap. Reinstall the engine cover. Before reinstalling the engine splash guard, I highly recommend you watch the underside of the vehicle for at least 10 to 15 minutes to ensure there's no leaks. Reinstall the half-turn screws. And you're done! Note that you can check the oil level with the MMI system.